Hey guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. And in this video, in just 3 minutes, I'm going to show you how you can add your professional email to your Gmail on your phone, so you can log it in on your phone at any time. If this sounds interesting, so give me a like and then let's go. I'm just going to click on my email account, which is my Gmail. So I'm going to add it. Scroll down to where you can add another account. Click that, and then you're going to click on others, right? Like order, click on order, and then it's going to ask you to provide your email, right? So here you can provide the professional email you want to use to log into your phone. All right, so that's what I'm doing. I'm just going to add it. This is my own personal work email, emmanuel@brandfreaker.com. So after this, I'm going to click on next, which is all done. So it's going to ask you to select one of these servers. So just select IMAP. All right, let's go on. So you select your password now. So I'm going to blunt my screen so that you won't really see my password, just for privacy's sake. So I'm going to enter my password. So when you get here, just enter your password, right? So after you enter your password, you just going to click on done again. All right, I'm going to click on done, and Google is asking me if I want to save this password. So I will say yes, I want to save. Just save for me. So as you can see, this is my brand name, this is my network. The server is what? brandfreaker.com. That is my website. All right, so I'm going to click on next because I believe the email and the password is okay. All right, I'm going to click on next. All right, it's incoming server setup. This is validating the server now. So after this, I think it's going to validate the SMTP server. All right, so you're just going to click on next, ensure that it's going to pick out your website directly. So you don't need to stress yourself for that. It's validating that now. So for this now, you can just click on next for here. I like these settings here. I'll just go on by clicking next. All right, the last part now is just for you to add the name, like your name. So when you send the email, it will just show your name on it, right? This is how I want it to appear. So I'm going to add Emmanuel@brandfreaker. I think that is good. So you know that Emmanuel is sending it from Brandfreaker, right? So it's just a way of easily identifying who the email is coming from. All right, so let's go by adding Emmanuel@brandfreaker. All right, click on next. Boom, automatically it has been added. So let's go and confirm if it was really added. So click on my profile picture there and then scroll down to it and see if we can get it. All right, as you can see here, it has been added. All right guys, that's the end of this tutorial, and I want to say thank you for staying to the end of the video. Please do not forget to subscribe for more easy tutorial like this. All right, so next time we'll meet again, we'll have more tutorial. Thank you, and remain focused.